What if the universe has never been expanding at all? And the big stretch story is the wrong movie? In the energy filament theory, the cosmos is a relaxing energy sea where particles keep evolving. The universe has a physical boundary, and an even darker counterpart of a black hole can exist inside it, the silent cavity. If you grew up loving expansion cosmology, here's a friendly warning. This idea challenges 3 quiet assumptions most people never touch. Redshift automatically means space is getting bigger. The universe must be infinite and boundary-free. And the fundamental constants are basically frozen. That does not mean old physics is trash. It means progress happens when the hidden premise gets tested, not when everyone politely nods. The point is simple. Modern cosmology treats redshifts like a dynamical speedometer, a number that primarily tells you how fast space is stretching. Then it back calculates the size, age, cooling history, and even the moment acceleration supposedly turned on. When the math starts feeling tight, more ingredients get poured in. Inflation, dark energy, extra knobs, and stories that sound consistent but often feel like they need just one more patch. In this picture, redshift can be a totally different kind of number. It can be a ratio readout, distant matter's internal rhythm compared to our local rhythm, after both have been shaped by a slowly changing tension environment. Think of 2 orchestras playing the same note on instruments that are quietly warping over time. The sheet music looks identical, but the pitch you hear shifts because the instrument's spacing, stiffness, and timing drift. The shift is real, but it is not proof the concert hall is stretching. If particles are slowly changing, and the C's tension is slowly sliding, then your clock ticks, your atomic energy gaps, and the efficiency of how signals propagate through the C can all drift together. Redshift becomes a historical fingerprint of evolution, not a mandate for runaway expansion. And if you misread an evolution fingerprint as an expansion speed, you will systematically misinfer the universe's size, age, cooling rate, and energy bookkeeping. The equations will then corner you into needing dark energy, needing infinite space, and treating any boundary idea as taboo. Here's the strange part. The observations don't have to change for the story to change. The same sky can support a completely different causal chain, once the rulers and clocks are allowed to be physical things that evolve. That is why the next steps matter. First comes the pressure points that keep resurfacing in the standard narrative. Why acceleration is needed at all. Why the Hubble tension refuses to die. And why the moment you accept expansion as the only language, the universe's edge becomes almost unspeakable. Then the alternative map comes into focus. The universe relaxes instead of grows. Particles and their yardsticks evolved instead of staying perfectly fixed. And redshift is reread as a rhythm ratio rather than a stretch rate. After that, the fear around boundaries collapses. A physical boundary does not automatically mean a special center. And it does not automatically wreck the uniformity of the cosmic microwave background. Those are interpretation habits, not logical necessities. Finally, the map connects the extremes, the outer boundaries where propagation can fail, black holes where the C becomes violently overtight, and the silent cavity where the C becomes ultra-loose in a fast-spinning bubble that struggles to hold structure and tends to empty itself. You do not have to believe any of this today. Just keep one promise to yourself, follow the logic, keep the observations sacred, and watch how different the universe can look when the hidden premise changes. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.